Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we will see how to control your Raspberry Pi in your PC without the monitor or without the VNC software. So let's open our terminal. And then just type the SSH -x and then your username, then at your IP address or Raspberry Pi.local for Raspberry Pi users. Yes. Then it will prompt for password. This won't work if you already didn't install SSH or enabled SSH. So now let's start with this session. For Ubuntu OS, I think it won't boot into the Xsession, so we have to try with lxsession. For Raspberry Pi users, they can type this command /etc/x11/Xsession. This is for the Raspberry Pi users, and for Ubuntu OS users on Raspberry Pi, they can just type lxsession. That's it guys. Now you can control your Raspberry Pi on your PC without any monitor or VNC softwares. Actually, VNC softwares are bandwidth consuming and very slow. Now you can control your Raspberry Pi like a Windows system. It has many options, accessories, games, and you can browse using this browser. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.